wait, watch.
I just want to point out that this is exactly what Kelsey was wearing when she got to my house.
Is that fun though? No, I don't think it's your hair. That's me too. Yeah, that hurt. I'm really afraid right now. We have to rename it because it's not really dancing anymore. Hurtful Special.
See, a long time ago, we came up with this thing called painful dancing, and I suppose it won't make any sense anyway. I'm just gonna stop now. Oh, man.
I put my phone down exactly when you picked it. We're both like...
Alright.
Hurtful. Wait, we have to show them hurtful dance.
Okay, go over there.
Okay.
This is hurtful dancing. Dancing's not so innocent. Oh, no, wait, I can't see you. That wasn't intentional.
You were like, oh, shh. And that made you go down. Because I was laughing. And then, like this.
Come back in here, I can't see. There you go. No, that's good. Stay right there.